The Lagos Rapid Metro bus system has over the last few days come under serious scrutiny after being hit by a major scandal, as one of its drivers has been accused of the murder of a 22-year-old girl, Oluwbamise Ayanwola. News broke last week that the young lady Bamise was missing after her sister took to social media to release videos and voice recordings of her sister getting kidnapped and dragged away by some unknown assailants. Popular actress Tonto Dike was one of the first people to use their platform to draw attention to the story, crying out online for more information about whereabouts of the missing young lady Bamise. However, yesterday evening it was reported that the driver of the said bus, Mr. Andrew Ominikoron, was arrested somewhere in Ikorodu after eloping and evading security personnel for days. Mr. Andrew was arrested only after the body of Bamise had been found and some vital parts and organs of her body missing. The driver, during an interview after his arrest, denied that he knew or had a hand in the kidnapping of Oluwbamise. He said he was held at gunpoint by a man while at the steering wheel as the young lady was dragged off the bus by two other men. In light of this, Nigerians, one of such is Dejade Uju, has come out to slam Mr. Andrew's reason for not immediately lodging a complaint of the incident to either his supervisor or the BRT bus company he works for, and for also not reporting it with the Nigerian police force or any security agency at all. While popular Nollywood actress Toyin Abraham has questioned why BRT buses in Lagos do not have CCTVs, and if there were any on the bus, what happened to the ones on the bus driven by Mr. Andrew. Also, there are questions as to the position of the BRT company Mr. Andrew works for. The Lagos State government, led by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, has assured Lagosians that justice will be served and all those involved in the horrific event will be brought to justice. Bamise was just a fashion designer heading home after a day's walk, where she boarded a BRT bus around Lekki Ajah axis, heading towards Oshodi, only to never arrive safely at her destination. What can the government do to make BRT buses safer for young ladies?